3 decades after the Lahore High Court convicted Zulfikar Ali Bhutto on a murder case and sentenced him to death, the Pakistan People's Party is still adamant to clear his name in the pages of history. The Federal Law Secretary Masood Chishti has sent a reference to the Supreme Court seeking the reopening of the judicial murder case. Talking to the media, the Federal Law Secretary said that the Apex Court did not raise any objection over the reference. Senior advisor of the Law Ministry, Chaudhry Arif, said that the bias in the decision to hang Zulfikar Ali Bhutto is obvious and the President has exercised his right to file the reference.
पाकिस्तान की जुडिशियल हिस्ट्री पे एक बहुत बड़ा बदनुमा दाग जो है उसे रिमूव करने के लिए ये रेफरेंस दायर किया गया है। अदालतों में आप किसी मौजू पर जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो शहीद के कत्ल का जो मुकदमा है उसको हवाले के तौर पर पेश नहीं कर सकते। कोई पेंडोरास बॉक्स नहीं खुलता। बात यह है कि ये केस अपनी नौइयत का इंतहाई मुनफरिद केस है।
Federal Law Minister Babar Rahman said that this reference is being filed to wash away a black spot from the pages of history. Babar Rahman said that 3 judges had acquitted Bhutto and no one in the judiciary accepts the decision.
ये इस्लामी एतबार से भी एक नाजायज फैसला था। तीसरे, सारी दुनिया की जुडिशियल फोरम्स, लीडरशिप, अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा, इदारों और जूरिस्ट्स ने इस फैसले को बायस समझ करके नाजायज करार देते हुए मुस्तरद कर दिया था। पाकिस्तान की तारीख में यह वाहिद फैसला है जो अभी तक अगरचे किताब के अंदर मौजूद है, ये आज इंशाअल्लाह सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भिजवाया जा रहा है।
Meanwhile, former PPP Law Minister Iftikhar Hussain Gilani says the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's murder case should be decided in the Parliament and not in the courts.
186 jurisdiction of Supreme Court is an advisory jurisdiction. One must remember that it's not an executionary jurisdiction. That Supreme Court can pass an order, a final order. Supreme Court does not have that authority under Article 186. When the Turkish Prime Minister was also hanged, I'm forgetting the mandaries or whichever, then after about 30 years or 40 years, the Parliament of Turkey passed an unanimous resolution apologizing to his family and to him posthumously.
Earlier on Friday, President Asif Ali Zardari formally approved the reopening of the case of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Bhutto was convicted by the Lahore High Court in 1979 during the dictatorship of the then Army Chief General Zia-ul-Haq. Later, the Supreme Court had also upheld the Lahore High Court verdict. President Zardari signed a reference which will be filed in the Supreme Court pleading that the Apex Court revisit the case. The Federal Cabinet in its last meeting had also approved the reopening of the case.